This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for May 22nd, 2024. It's currently April 10th, 2024, 2:06 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, currently $514.24. That's USD. And the shuffle video that we're about to play for, or the shuffle video that we're playing for you in the lower left corner, was created on March 10th, 2024 at 7:42 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, the overall theme and behavior for the 22nd, we have a crest that we sell off from down to and through support on a one-day chart. We do a U-shaped reversal below that support, come back and reuse it as support. Behavior around the highest high, we should have a period of erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. And in the midst of that erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level, we should see the high for the day. Either if we see the high for the day once, it would be a revisiting of a prior day's high, or we'll see it more than once in this, throughout the day. We'll revisit it multiple times within a period of erratic behavior. And it actually looks like it's the second of those two. We'll probably revisit the high multiple times throughout the day. Now, behavior around the lowest low, a notable decline. This will probably stand out on a multi-day scale, the decline today into the low. And I'm advised to trade around a decline that increases with momentum moving forward in time. Now, I'm going to get into the timing of the highest highs and the lowest lows, as well as the best trades to make in just a moment. But before I do that, I want to make sure everybody's aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing, as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise, or you can use YouTube tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. Okay, so we opened up short positions here at the end of the day before that sharp drop. And it looks like the crest takes place in the pre-market. In the midst of a rally, increasing with momentum moving forward in time. There's a crest that's formed, and we decline around the open from a peak. Pretty notably, it turns into sideways rotation in the first half hour, equal amounts of bulls and bears inflow and outflow. More decline through multiple supports between roughly 10 and 11, and then within a period of volatility, there's a sharp drop that will stand out in that period of volatility. I think we see a high for the day and a low for the day there. A high for the day probably around 11:30, and then a low for the day around 12 o'clock, followed by another high for the day around 1 o'clock, and then a sharp decline from that back down to a lower low for the day around 1:30, followed by a big move to the upside, taking us back to a high for the day. Big move from that low around 1:32 o'clock. Big move to the upside into the close, basically, where we'll do some bumping along resistance sideways at the high, and there'll be a failed attempt to break the key resistance, followed by a decline through key support. An important price level on a 1-month chart scale minimum is highlighted in the post-market. Looks like the VIX probably rises today, and the sneak preview for the following day is a U-shaped dip that will form within the intersection of two perpendicular diagonal trend lines. But what I would want to do is I'd want to cash out of a short position in the midst of this sharp drop right here. This is a cash out ruin. The low either around 12 or the low closer to 2 o'clock. One of those lows, I would want to cash out of it, and then you could probably open up at these lows, open up a partial long here, add to the long here for a day trade, close the day trade at the close or just before the close at a high. Those are the best trades, I think, for the day. Yeah, but we have a big move to the upside to a high. This might even be another highest high for the month. It depends on how far we decline. But this will really stand out, this high here on the cusp of the 22nd, 23rd. It's very likely that this right here is a lowest low as well. Either this is the lowest low for the month here on the 21st, or we see it here at the Ace of Discs, one of those two. I think it's probably here on the 21st based on the cross-reading congruency. And we'll get into what to do on the 23rd when we get into the reading for the 23rd. That's the 22nd of May. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go. You know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. Guys, if you're interested in getting a different ticker covered in the same manner that we cover SPY, that's one of our premium products that we offer on the website, or premium services that we offer on the website. You can get 30 consecutive days of any ticker or crypto symbol that you want with an hour by hour daily reading of that crypto or ticker symbol. 30 one-day readings by the hour, basically. The way that you get that, again, one of our premium services, you go to our services, Post, and we have 1 month of consecutive dailies Forex, 1 month of consecutive dailies stocks, and 1 month of consecutive dailies crypto. They're all different prices because of the amount of work between the crypto and the stocks versus the Forex and the stocks. They're all different amounts of work. Crypto is by far the most amount of work. So the crypto one is going to be $5,000. The 1 month consecutive, $3,000. The 1 month consecutive daily for the Forex, $41.99. Thanks to all those of you that go ahead and do that, and blessings again to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.